Mwah. There's a fish in the pond! Oh my God. Hey, Veezy Kids! All right, guys, look. There's a guy in a boat out here. That can only mean one or two things. He's stealing our fish, or we're getting something going on with this pond here. So, on today's video, we're gonna feed some animals and do something with chickens, and we're gonna hook up some of these ponds. Whoa, what are you doing out there?
Hey man, I know you just did that intro, but can someone throw me a paddle? Bruh. I'm stranded out here.
This is James, the pond doctor. I don't know if you guys have heard of him, but he's the doctor of ponds.
Hey, how's everyone doing? We're in South Florida and Southern California, both places, rocking both coasts. If you need anything for your pond needs, maintenance, service and repair, builds, we do it all. Also, you know, we got to give a shout out to Llama Atlantic for providing us these two great fountain pumps. Thanks, guys. Love being with the
We're getting two?
Yeah, you're getting two.
So one on this pond and one on the duck pond.
Yes.
Ponddoctor.org. Go there, check them out. And nice hat, by the way.
Oh yeah, you know, like brothers.
I had to get the hat out because I saw him with the hat, and you know.
Dad, it's like 1 o'clock. I mean, I haven't fed the animals yet.
It's because I was waiting to show these guys. Soon, we're gonna get to the point where we're gonna feed them with spoons. You guys submitted your name for the Shabunkin goldfish. So we picked the 3 names that we thought were the best. First Shabunkin, Paul Cuffaro. Second Shabunkin, Blake. Third Shabunkin, Brenton. Yep, they're 3 boys. Oh, I'm sorry, if y'all don't know, Brenton is Fanatic. So we got Blake's Exotic Ranch, Paul Cuffaro, and Fanatic is our Shabunkin goldfish. Go spank them and wake them up.
Watch out! No!
Watch out, they're hungry! Watch out! Ah, it's coming! Oh! Right there?
Yeah. You do. My turn.
Whoa, ow, it's...
Oh my gosh.
Bro, you know it. What are you kicking? That we saw it. You're not going to hide the evidence. It's literally in your hair.
Oh,
Dude, that's on his back.
Well, when he rolls over, he'll find a nice treat. Oh my gosh, guys! There's chickens in the duck enclosure!
Why are there chickens in the duck enclosure?
Oh, he wants to eat them.
Oh yeah, we didn't tell you guys. We let the chickens out. So every morning at 8 a.m., the door opens in their coop. They walk out and they hang out, but they keep running in here with these guys for some reason. Bro, you're not a duck! All right, now we are gonna feed the ducks and maybe the chicken because I see one over there. And yeet!
Let me see you do the gangsta walk. Let me see you do the gangsta walk.
Oh my gosh, the chickens are running. And for our third.
Hey, Llamas, you're next. Calm down.
There's like a Scooby in there.
No, it's not for you. Oh, guys. It's not for the ducks or the llamas. This is for the chickens. Whoa.
How about if they're hungry, they eat. If they ain't, they lose out. Veezy Kids Farm, where the strong survives. And right now, it looks like you guys are the strong ones. Oh, you're so beautiful. Yes, you are. Yeah, here, tell me so. As you guys see, we got the chickens. They're out. They got all this room to run around and I guess sometimes sneak into here for some reason. You guys remember this duck that we got when he was around the size of this? Well, now look at him. He thinks he's a chicken. He won't leave. All right, guys, let's feed these goats. The Godashians. Kim, Chloe, Courtney, Rob. What up, what up?
Through the glass. I'm going fast.
Now it's time for Lady May and Mango because they are starving and waiting.
My favorite animals.
They're leaving next week. Just so you know. Paul called and said they're gone. So what's going to go in this enclosure when they leave?
We can't tell them yet. This is a big surprise.
What about that gate that says security cameras? What the heck is that for?
Again, more surprises. They got to just keep watching us forever.
I want to put like a monkey in there or another Veezy kid.
What?
Wait. Oh, snap.
Come and feed my homie Mango.
Mango, baby. I am touching Mango's butt.
There you go.
Good boy.
Tip it. Yeah. Who's my little? Oh yes, you. Oh yes, you can make out with the camera. Make me.
Okay, this is getting weird.
Mwah.
So I know use this time to pet the mom and
Linda.
get her more friendly.
Linda.
Hey guys, catch the duck so we can do a duck Olympics! Woo!
This is how we catch the ducks to get them some water in the morning. And also let them know it's cool for them to be in here with the other ducks. All right, so Anthony caught Duncan. So now we're gonna take Duncan. What's that one?
Star.
Star and chocolate.
My knee.
And your knee. What is that? You're gonna get ringworm, dude. Wash your legs. All right.
Let's go.
Guys, place your bets by commenting below which duck you think is going to get to the other side first. 3, 2, 1.
Go that way.
Duncan is in the lead by a bill.
Go.
These two, I don't even know what's going on.
Duncan won.
Duncan got to the other side and he's out. We want the ducks to know that this is their home. They can come in here anytime they want. They keep wanting to just stick around in the chicken coop because they were raised with chickens. So we got to kind of like train them. Hey, this is the duck enclosure. Be here. Oh, guys, you guys remember Paul's raft? On an upcoming episode, we're going to take 20 of our subscribers' names. We're going to build a new one of those and put your names on it. We're going to redo this whole thing. Maybe do like a 24-hour thing there or whatnot. But we're going to put 20 subscribers' names on there. So you guys will have a chance. It's going to be totally random. Just make sure you're a subscriber and you comment at least once on our videos. All right, guys, next line of business. Me and Rihanna went to the P.O. box today. Stuck the key in, opened it up. All we had was a bill in there.
What?
Like an electric bill or something.
Oh.
I didn't even look at it. Guys, you guys always say you want us to shout you out in the videos. Draw us a picture or send us something to the P.O. box. We'll go there, we'll get it. We'll show everybody the picture you drew. We'll put it on Anthony's wall in his room and we'll shout you out. Our P.O. box is gonna be listed below, so make sure you guys draw something. I know out of 11,000 of you guys, some of you guys are some amazing artists. Draw a picture of Rihanna with a duck. What's that?
Bacteria!
What'd you say?
Good bacteria. That's what we need. There's bad bacteria and there's good bacteria.
And what is that going to do?
That's going to kickstart the nitrogen cycle, and it's activated by oxygen. So we're going to put it right below our fountain so that it can work in the most effective way.
So it should clear up this water pretty good.
You know, it's going to help a lot.
Oh. Nice. ponddoctor.org. So check out their website and listen, guys. Let them know that the Veezy Kids sent you, and we'll put something down below, a coupon code or whatnot, so you guys could use our coupon code and get huge discounts and get some cool stuff like this for your ponds. All right, guys, you remember the fountain that was in this pond? And yeet. Look at it now.
We got the larger half horsepower one, so then we get a higher plume. That's about going to be 9 to 14 feet in the air. You know, really makes it a little more dramatic and provides more oxygen, so you're winning in multiple ways.
And that is called The Block. The Block! We got fountains for you. Why do you want to leave us and go with Paul? Stay with us, bro. Look at what we offer you. What? No, he did not. Paul did not say he would give that to you. He said that Paul said he's going to get a girlfriend if he goes with Paul. We might have another famous YouTuber bringing his 2 geese over here within the next 10 to 15 days. He might be having some company soon. We might be having a lot more animals. Oh, I just got some in my eye. We might be having a lot more animals coming. Also, you see this spot right here? We broke this old little coop down, and something is going to be built there soon. Stick around. Mama Veezy, what are you doing? This is why I love living here in South Florida, man. We just burn stuff when we want to get rid of it. All right, guys, let's check this pond out. They're done. The pond doctors just left.
Oh my God!
What?
They left the boat!
They left the boat. With the oars in it?
It let me with the house! Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
We have to go on
Hey,
it right now.
you guys have to go on it.
Yes.
Sorry.
You have to.
Sorry.
Like, Condox,
Watch out.
I don't know if you guys meant to leave this boat, but probably not a good idea with the Veezy Kids. Looks amazing. Look at that. So probably in about a half hour, the lights are gonna come on, and maybe we'll let the lights go on and we'll do the outro with the lights. It'll look beautiful. What is that, a mango? And they're going in. So give us a second and I'm gonna start filming because something's probably gonna happen. Yo, look at it, fits you guys perfectly. Whoa, whoa, calm down. What are you at?
Italy.
In Italy? Oh my God, bro. Wait, what? Wait, help her. Help her. Oh, jeez. Don't open your mouth, it's dirty. There's giant pacu and arowanas in there that will kill you. What's going on over here? Yo! Oh my goodness. You guys brought the trampoline over here? Oh gosh. You're not as cool as Fanatic if you don't do a flip. He did a super flip right into the center.
It's slippery!
Hey!
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Click up here to watch more Veezy Kids videos.
Oh, your boat has got water in it, dude.
No!
Tune in next week to see if they made it out.
There's a fish in the boat!